What's up, everyone? I've been in the crypto space for roughly 4 years now, maybe 4.5, and I've tested probably like 25 different exchanges trying to find something that actually delivers. And the biggest challenge has always been the withdrawal side, like converting your digital assets back into actual cash that you can use for rent or groceries or whatever. But here's the issue, okay? The market is absolutely saturated with fake exchanges that exist purely to steal funds. Completely saturated. And I'm not speaking theoretically here. I've personally been scammed by platforms, watched my funds disappear, dealt with support teams that just ghost you. So at this point, I'm very picky about what I'll touch. Then, for almost 2 years now though, I've been sticking with this one app exclusively, and it's been working flawlessly, like genuinely flawless. So let me actually walk through how it operates. Alright, so let's do USDT converting to TRX. So first step, selecting the token pair, USDT on the sending side, there it is, TRX on the receiving end, click that, and the exchange rate pops up. Actually pretty solid. I compared this with a few other platforms earlier today, and this rate's competitive. Okay, next thing, my destination wallet address. And look, pay close attention here. Verify this address like your life depends on it. Check it twice, however many times you need, because mess this up and those coins are permanently gone. So switching to my wallet, grabbing the address, pasting it in, good, matches. So next to term screen, scrolling through, full verification. Rates accurate, wallet address matches, looks good. Clicking confirm and create order. Done. Order is live in the system. So now I gotta send the tokens to this address. Just one moment. Switching back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment button here. Done. Now we're just in processing mode. Usually wraps up in about a few minutes or so, sometimes faster. Just gonna speed this part up for you. And done. Exchange complete. Now I just gotta wait for the tokens to hit my wallet balance. Alright, so while this goes through, here's what separates this exchange from every fraudulent platform I've encountered. And I wanna be specific because these details matter. First thing, they don't require you to complete trades within a time limit. Scam exchanges love countdown timers. They create artificial urgency so you make mistakes or don't have time to think. I used one platform back in 2022 where every transaction had like a 15-minute window, and if you missed it, your funds got stuck in limbo. This app, fine, no timers, no pressure. You can take your time verifying everything. Second observation, they've never changed their fee structure. Scam platforms constantly adjust fees, usually making them higher over time or adding new fees that weren't there before. I've been using this for 21 months and the fees are identical to when I started. That consistency is actually a trust indicator most people overlook. And the most obvious sign, they don't ask you to invite friends for bonuses or to unlock features. That pyramid scheme mentality is present in every scam exchange I've touched. They need new users constantly because they're not actually running a real business. They're just moving money from new users to old users until it collapses. Simple recommendations. Check out the platform handles failed transactions. Legitimate services will return your crypto if something goes wrong. Scams will keep it. Also, never use a platform that only has a Telegram for support. Real exchanges have email support, ticket systems, actual infrastructure, and test the entire flow with minimal amounts first. I'm talking like 20 or 30 bucks. Complete the full cycle multiple times before you trust them with anything substantial. So that's my breakdown of why I only use this one app now. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. Always verify everything yourself. Don't take anyone's word, including mine. Peace.